Hello there, this video is all about laws of logarithms. Well, there are 5 basic rules that logarithm always follows, and today I will show you how they works. So before going to explain, we should know a very crucial thing, that log of any negative number cannot be defined. Because there is a condition on the base that the base should be greater than the base should be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. That means the base of log must be a positive number, but as far we know, any positive number raised to any power cannot give a negative number in any way. So in exponential form, if I write a power x equal to n, and if I write it in logarithmic expression, log of the number base a equal to x, that is x, the exponent, will be the answer in log. So if we think in this way, that any positive base, the base should be positive, so any positive base raised to a power cannot give a negative number, and that's why it is considered that log of any negative number is undefined. Anyway, let's move on to other properties. So the first law is multiplication law. The first law says log of x times y to the base a equal to log of x to the base a plus log of y to the base a. You see, there are in the bracket there are two numbers are multiplied and they are added separately with the log of same base. I am giving you an example here. Say log of 42 to the base 3 equal to log of 42 to the base 3. This 42 we can write 42 as log 6 into 7. 6 and 7 are factors of 42. Now log of 6 into 7 base 3 equal to log of 6 to the base 3 plus log of 7 to the base 3, and that is how it works. And now the second law is division law. Division law says log of x over y, they are gonna divide it here, equal to log of x to the base a minus log of y to the base a. And an example for you, log of 17 over 3 to the base 2 equal to log of 17 to the base 2 minus log of 3 to the base 2. Please note that these two rules are applicable when the log has same base. But some students make some common mistakes with multiplication and division rule. They just do the opposite of it. They write log of x plus y equal to log of x into log of y, and log of x minus y log of x divided by log of y. They just do the opposite of it. But these are absolutely wrong formula. If we analyze the exponential law, we see when same bases are multiplied with powers, the powers should be added, and when same bases are divided, the powers should be subtracted. So what we see, when same bases are multiplied, the power should be added, and same bases are divided, the power should be subtracted. And log also follows the same. That means only while multiplying log of two numbers with any base, the numbers will be added separately with the same base of log, and while dividing they will be subtracted, the numbers will be subtracted with the same base of log. So if you memorize the exponential rules, you will not do the mistake. Now come to the third law. The third law is called power law because it works with the power. So it says log of x to the base a and x raised to power k equal to k times log of x to the base a. An example for you. Say log of 3 square to the base 5 equal to 2 times, it will be 2 times 2 will be placed here, 2 times log 3 to the base 5. And the fourth law, now it's time to fourth law. Fourth law is, it's quite interesting, log of a to the base a equal to 1. That means when log of number and the base are same, they will be cancelled and will be equal to 1, because we know in exponential rule a to the power 1 equal to a. That means any base raised to power 1 equal to that base. So the example will be log of the number and the base are same, that will be equal to 1. Log of 4 to the base 4, and they will be cancelled and will remain the 1. Now the fifth law, another law I have to show you. Log of 1 to any base, I am writing here a, log of 1 to the base a equal to 0, because we know any base raised to power 0 equal to 1. Any base raised to power 0 equal to 1, and we know log always follow the exponent rules. So the example will be, say log of 1, I am taking the base 4 again, log of 1 to the base 4 equal to 0. I am showing you the examples to make you understand the laws properly. So that's all for today. I think there is no confusion left for you about the discussion. So please do like and subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.